T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Operator transition ground. That's it.
Fire at the MLS.
You're good.
Can confirm. I see no fires in the fluid.
Vehicle supersonic.
They're on the MLS.
Max Q.
You can really see those exhaust gases expanding there.
Yeah, as we get into thinner and thinner atmosphere.
Yep.
It's beautiful.
Visual confirmation of the thinning atmosphere as it pulls away from the planet.
MLS fire appears to be out. I see no other fires on the pad.
Look at that.
Stage
Nico.
separation.
Stage 2 ignition. Chamber pressure looks nominal.
They're the fairings.
They're the fairings.
Yeah, you can see them fall away.
Look at that. We get a little jellyfish.
Oh, wow, that's so pretty. Just a little hint of a jellyfish.
Now's the time to go outside and see if y'all can see this, folks. So now we've gotten all the way through that fairing jettison, and we have a couple minutes until we get that second engine cut off. But the track's out there. Look at this. There's those payloads again. Well on their way to space.
Should be coming up on Seco.
Seco. Nominal orbit insertion.
I'm shaking a little bit.
There you go. Well, you heard right from the launch net, nominal orbit insertion. I do want to point out the video, we don't exactly time that video coming down, so I wouldn't look at the exact timing of the video versus the time we saw it come off. It does take a little bit of time for that video to get down from the rocket, go through the ground stations, make it all the way over to the video servers, then we get it encoded and we send it back out. So that exact timing, because, oh, look at that. That's cool. Is that the Terminator? The limb of the Earth there on the right-hand side? We had a little rotation there. What, you know something?